Oh, I like that.
We back,
Keep
bitches.
my wife's name
Out
out your
motherfucking mouth.
mouth.
We can cuss. Hey, this is when Will was smooth, man. I mean, nobody could rap like this dude when he was so smooth the way he did everything, especially with this song. Anyways, we're back on the deck.
And what's the name of it?
Fresh
Crack.
Fridays.
Yay, yay.
Exactly. All right. It is like getting towards the end of summer. I mean, September is essentially it, but kids are going back to school.
No,
Vacations
man.
had been taking place. I was on vacation.
I ain't been yet, but I'm going Sunday.
Yeah. He's
I
flying
need
out
to
to
move there
Vegas.
because that shit like right in my mouth, man. Pause.
Pause.
Yeah. You did it right. You did it right. You did it right. Yes.
So I figured since we've been like gone for 3 Fridays, and I actually got a message on TikTok. Guys, like, where you guys been?
Oh, somebody was looking for
It's
it.
like I
That's
haven't
what's
seen you
up.
guys in
That's
like
what's up.
3 weeks. What's up? So no, we just took a break for a little while.
Yeah.
You know.
And we came back from that break strong.
Hold on.
I got a Chicago Bull hat. I got Jordan black and white.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
And I got the limb breads. It's all about the shoes, baby. Okay,
Yeah.
my bad.
No, it's all good.
I had to get that
because
out.
I got the Vans.
Your turn.
I got the Vans, and I got the new Vans.
You matching today.
Oh,
I'm proud of you.
yeah.
I'm very proud of you.
Oh, yeah.
I can walk around with you with that
now you
outfit
can
on
walk
because you
around with
matching.
me.
You matching. You matching. I like that. You matching. You know what
I
I'm saying?
try.
You look good.
I try to match.
You look good.
Anyways, so during our hiatus, which last week we could have been on, but
Yeah, somebody just old and was like, let's do it later. Nah, bro.
no, somebody just thinks they're young.
I'm younger than you.
They were already in bed by the time I wanted to do it.
I'm younger than him. That's a proven fact.
Yeah, but he was already in bed.
I'm younger than him. You want to see some birth certificates?
No, it's all good. It's all good.
Oh, it's good. You don't want
No,
to
it's all good.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you can go ahead and protect yourself this time.
Yeah.
CYA, cover your ass.
As you should every day.
So anyways, I figured we would actually do a double up tonight. So this right here is some small batch bourbon from New Holland Brewing Company, but they have a distilling side as well. And it's called Dragon's Milk. And I picked this up in Saugatuck, Michigan, aged 5 years. I love the bottle. The bottle's really cool. It gives that like dragon feel to it.
The scale, like.
Yep. All scaly and.
I never seen it.
Yep. Well, yeah, because they don't sell it down here. And then there's a dragon engraved right in there.
That's cool, man.
So, but this is a 95 proof.
95?
Yeah, 95.
Okay, come on, Mal. Pause.
And then I've been on a tequila kick lately, as he knows.
Yeah. You've been on.
And I know.
What's bigger than a kick? Like a jump, maybe?
A tequila fall?
Yeah. No.
I mean,
I don't know. But it's bigger than a kick.
I've been on a tequila crush. How about
That
that?
part. I give you that. There we go.
So this one right here is Corazon. Corazon tequila. Believe it's still part of the Sazerac company, which is all the brands of like Buffalo Trace. Yep. Sazerac company. This is actually done down in Mexico, additive free.
Hola, Carlos.
And aged in Weller barrels. Barrels.
Weller, baby.
So we're going to do this one
Weller.
first. Then we're going to finish this. That's why I don't have a mixed cocktail.
Are we doing a tequila last?
We're doing tequila.
All right,
last.
my friend.
Yes. Yes. So we're going to start with this guy first.
Uh-oh.
So I already did everything, so I'm not like struggling to try and get it.
Because you always struggling.
Always struggling.
Fake court. We already know.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's smooth.
It smells good on the nose right there off the.
It's smooth.
Off the
I don't really
cork.
get a good. All right. Oh, it's way brighter than I thought. So that bottle is what's dark.
Hey, you don't judge a book by its cover.
No, you need more, bro. And
Don't judge a book by its cover.
oh, I don't care what you say. That's a 5 on color. That's beautiful.
Oh, the color is there.
That is beautiful.
For a 5-year? For a 5-year, look at that.
That is a beautiful freaking color on that, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going 5 on color.
All right. So.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, let that sit there.
It's 95 proof.
Don't smell like it.
Ooh.
Hey.
Go like this for a little bit.
Hey, if your buddy at the bar, he knocked out, buy him a shot of this and put it on his nose. They gonna wake him up.
Yeah, it's got a little.
that's
It's
got
got
some-
a little kick to it.
Yeah,
Doesn't
that's got some. That's got some heat on the nose, bro.
So, aged in charred American white oak barrels, aged 5 years. And when I was talking to the guy it's like the New Holland distillery was like in Sauga, they had like a little shop where you could try stuff like this and whatnot. And
Bro, that don't smell like no 95 proof.
I know it does, but I tell you what.
Goodness.
Okay, this is from Michigan, y'all.
That don't smell like no
This is
95.
from Michigan.
I'm not gonna put the smell number down right now. I'm on 5 on color because
Yep.
it's beautiful. I'm gonna come back to that smell number. It don't taste how it smells.
Y'all,
That is so sweet, bro.
this is the best 5-year I've ever had.
What is that? It's a sweet something on there. That's there. But it don't taste nothing like that. That smell on it is like 110, 120 proof. That's crazy.
I'm getting a little burn on the tongue. Not bad, but I'm getting like, golly. The finish is a 5. This could be one that you can sit down and sip on. I keep gravitating towards like a marshmallow type of, like a sweet graham cracker, like a graham cracker.
I'm getting a
Like-
graham cracker. I give you that, but it's still something sweet. I don't know if it's vanilla or caramel or something, but it's something. But it's nothing like the nose, dude. I mean,
Well, hold on. The
I'm on-
name is Dragon's Milk Origin.
I'm 5, 5, and 5. This would really be a 20 if it wasn't so hot on the nose. And I want to just give it a 20 anyway, but
You give it your gut.
it's
What does your
hot on-
gut tell you?
It's hot on the nose.
Then
dude.
give it a 19. I mean, it's tamed down. Right now, on
Yeah.
the nose,
I want to give it.
on the nose, I am getting like vanilla. I'm
Yeah.
getting,
It's something sweet right there, and I can't get what
that's
that
on
is.
the nose too. I would love to know what the mash bill of
I
this
would.
is.
And it's gonna be simple.
Because
and
it
It
might
probably
be.
won't even be
I
what we
wonder what
think.
the rye percentage is, because maybe that's what we're getting a little bit on that rye. If they use rye, I don't know.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with the 19. I want to give it a 20 so bad, but it's so. You were right. It is so good.
The nose throws me off, so I think I'm going to stay with him on the nose and be at a 4.
Yeah,
Because the nose throws you off initially because it's more
Yeah.
of a burn.
but everything else is a 5.
Yeah.
No way you going under 19 on it. The finish, the flavor, The color is there.
I'm telling you,
That's crazy,
if you
Chad.
guys can make your way up to Saugatuck, Michigan, small little town that sits right off the lake, off of Lake Michigan. They got an inlet that comes in. There's a little store there. I walked in and I wasn't anticipating buying any. I bought some beer there. I mean, I got, not at that place, but at a different place in Petoskey. But I wasn't expecting to find any bourbon that was worthy to bring back. This is delicious.
This is past it.
New Holland Brewing Company
Definitely 19, y'all.
/ distillers.
I really, we can't even do halves. If we could do half, I'd do 19 and a half. But it's just that initial hit is hot, but yeah, I give them that.
Very, very good.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah, that's a winner chicken dinner right there, bro.
So I've cut back on a lot of my bourbon drinking,
That's crazy, Chad.
and the reason why is because I want to have that palate to be able to try different bourbons and be able to differentiate between them.
That feels so
This
good.
well worth it, and if this was actually
Damn
a
it.
$59 bottle.
I forgot to bring that shaker over here.
Shaker.
This lady that I shoot pool with, she always finding stuff. So she found me the shaker in this auction. So she won it in the auction for $40.
Like a shaker for like,
Yeah,
I really just did that.
yeah, you did. I'm gonna let you have it though. But whoever put the top back on cross screwed it, so I can't get the top off. So,
It's like a shaker
yeah.
for like
yeah,
mixed drinks.
like if you want to make the mixed drink, the
Yeah.
top, the screw off to pour it out after you mix it in here, I can't get it off. Now I can use it just to mix some shit in it and then just pour it right in your glass.
Yeah, but then
the strainer top and all
all
of
that
that,
is stuck.
that top is stuck.
So you have to wash
So I need
it.
to bring it over here. No, you can see it. Instead of it being flat, it's screwed on at an angle. So whoever put it back on,
Well,
they
you-
just forced
Do
it
you
on.
have man hands? You can't pour.
That's your
Welcome
one.
back.
That's your-
Welcome what?
No,
Welcome back.
no, that's your
Welcome
one.
back.
That's your
I've
one.
been holding on to this shit
I don't give
for
a fuck.
3 weeks.
That's your one.
3 weeks.
That's his one, y'all.
That's my one.
Yeah,
That's
call
my
911 when y'all see him.
Ain't a joke.
But as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by this motherfucker over here. What? Get back to the
A
tequila.
rudely
You done
motherfucker.
you done messed the whole thing up. Get back to the tequila. Fake court.
Of course, it's a fake cork. All right, ladies and gentlemen, aged in Weller bourbon barrels.
Why you can't make this fake wood and make that real cork? This gotta cost more than that.
You know what? This man is.
Well,
Listen
that's
to
not
him.
good.
We need Carlos corks. Is what we need on this show.
We need real fucking corks.
Carlos
I'm
cork.
tired.
The cost of cork is actually a type of wood.
Oh, you know wood is actually a type of wood.
I know that, but a cork
Okay.
wood is like hard to find.
No, it's not.
Mushroom.
Definitely.
That looks like a mushroom.
Yeah, if you paint it
All right.
right there.
So now we're gonna do some Corazon, the Agave Single Barrel Reposado.
Well, it's probably like your little penis.
I know y'all heard that.
I've
Look at
been
him.
waiting.
You've been waiting for
You
3
throw
weeks.
yours, I throw mine. Now we even. We
I
done?
mean, we've hung out. We've hung out
You hung up?
since we got back
You hung
together.
out?
Since we got back in town. But yeah, stop it. Stop it.
Oh,
There is this one.
damn.
So with tequila,
That
there is
shit is clear as fuck.
with tequila there is not
And
all.
that glass, it don't look the same color there.
No. So with tequila, it's really not about the color because all tequilas are different. Añejos, you're going to get a darker
That don't
color.
even look like it came out the same glass. Dude.
Yeah, it does.
Hold on.
So we're just going to rate this 1 through 5 or 1 through 10 total.
Oh, that's nothing. I'm sleeping in the yard off that, bro.
80 proof.
No.
Oh God, he would have
No.
this finished in one night.
In one night, sleep in the yard, Chad. Done. Chad. Come on, and what?
No, he'd be in the trampoline.
Yeah. Chad. You'd be like, who the hell is this screaming?
Oh gosh, this is really good. This is really good.
That is no way, dude.
So they've got one that's aged in Eagle Rare barrels and one that's aged in Weller barrels. I tried the Eagle Rare one. This is actually much tamer. The Weller one's much tamer than the Eagle Rare barrel. Single barrel one.
Yeah, I'm giving that a 9.
9. So remember, some of the tequilas we've had, like Jordan's tequila, was a 10. Reposado.
Yeah, all day.
And then we did the Añejo,
Right.
which was also a 10.
Yeah.
What other tequilas have we done on the show?
It don't even matter. If I got that Jordan tequila and that tequila right there, we good. That's a 9. That's delicious, dude.
There's some that
I can't remember them. That's up there.
this is
The one
really
with the
good.
twist. What tequila is that?
Oh, you're talking about the Mi Familia?
Yeah, Mi
That-
Familia. Yeah, that's up there with the Jordan.
But so I go to the additive free tequilas.
I don't care.
So
I just
it's
tequila.
more natural tequila.
Yeah, I got you. But
Yeah.
that's still up there with the Jordan is in front.
Yeah. I like this one. I think I could put this above Jordan's Reposado.
Dude,
Even though it doesn't taste like buttercream
don't
cake.
talk to me.
Because you're
Don't talk.
wearing the Jordan.
Don't
I
fucking
know.
talk to me.
Don't fucking talk to me.
Are you serious, dude? Our camera is our camera gonna be right? George, come on, bro. What bull chain? What color? What? It's all right, y'all. You know he.
No, I'm giving him a hard time. Because that's how I roll.
It's right here.
So delicious. So
Yeah.
tonight's a success
Yeah,
in my mind.
yeah. This is a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. I'm about there too. I'm
Yeah, it's a 9 out of
probably
10.
yeah. I'm probably 8.
You gonna give it an 8?
Yeah.
Man, I get a 9.
I'm gonna probably give it an 8 because there's some that I've had that is delicious, and I've got them in the house, and you can try them, and some of them are actually cheaper than what this was, and they're delicious. So before we go, out of both of these, if you had to have one more pour, which one would it be, and why?
I would close my eyes, spin in a circle, and just reach over and grab.
No,
This
be
is-
honest.
I'm being honest. This is an even thing because I'm gonna give this 9 out of 10, and I'm gonna give that 19 out of
Yeah.
20.
Yeah.
It's an even thing. They both are only missing one just because of the nose. That's it. So it wouldn't matter to me. Like, I'm being realistic.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you said, here, drink this, I'll be like, okay, and I'm satisfied.
Well, I'm just saying, if you want,
We
to
on
close the
bourbon.
show,
We on bourbon, so
stick with
I'm
the
always
bourbon.
gonna stick with the bourbon, you know. But this shit is fucking delicious.
Amen to
dude.
that.
I can't go wrong with that. I mean,
Amen to that, because this is the night that I typically have bourbons.
that's crazy, man. Don't give me as much, cause I might. Yeah, we good. Chad, that shit. This tequila thing is I don't like that burn, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's different with the tequila because
So,
it's giving more flavor.
oh, 100%. And the one thing I like about tequila is I can wake up. If I've had like 3 or 4, good pours of tequila, which 3 or 4 good pours is going to probably be like this
Bullshit.
for me. For me, no. I usually keep it about like this. So
I've
you
seen your
figure that's
tequila
about
pour.
that's about 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces. So 3 to 4, you're hitting the 8-ounce mark.
Man,
That's almost
you lost your motherfucking mind.
a quarter to
Your
almost half.
motherfucking tequila be from here to here.
That's what
Show
I'm
me
saying.
where the 8-ounce mark at.
I'm telling you, 3 to 4,
3 to 4.
2-ounce ones. So that's going to be
No.
6 to 8 ounces.
No, that ain't.
So how many ounces is in this bottle? Hold on. How many ounces is in this bottle?
That's gotta
I mean,
be
this is a 750 mil,
25 ounce.
25 ounce.
Is that what it is?
I don't know.
I
7.
don't know. We ain't
Listen.
got to check into it right now.
Okay. Anyways, I'll probably
I know what a
I'll
20-ounce
probably
bottle
get
look
down to
like.
about right here in a night.
Bullshit.
In a night.
Bullshit.
Not a day. In a night.
The whole day. The day
If it
and
was
the
a
night.
Saturday, oh yeah, I would probably be down to there.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but if it was a night, like tonight, in which I don't even think I'll get that far down on this one tonight, because I might enjoy some of this.
Yeah.
See, the nose is. You know what this is reminding me of? On the nose, it's kind of reminding me of Blanton's a little bit.
Yeah. It still got that little twang.
Yeah, I know that, but it's almost got like that Blanton's. Even the taste, but
I'll give you
it's a
that.
lot sweeter.
Yeah.
Y'all did great.
They did good with that. Whoever did that, I
New
commend
Holland
y'all.
Brewing Company,
That is crazy.
y'all are on the game. Let me tell you.
And we can't even get that here. Send me some,
No,
y'all.
I got family.
Hey, y'all, send
I got
me
family
some.
up there that I
No,
can
whoever
get.
make it, y'all send me some. You can find me. I'm easy to find.
We'll tag them.
You did good with this, bro.
Yeah. Well, it's been freaking 3 weeks since we've actually done an episode.
That's your fault. It ain't my fault.
Last week was your fault.
It wasn't my fault. You waited late.
I suggested, and you
After
said, "Can
the
we do it
fact
early?"
already. Yeah.
And you said, "Can we do it early?"
And you
And I
said
couldn't.
you couldn't do it early.
No,
So
because I was trying to get
Because
like
you- because
reacclimated to my
it's
world.
because you waited too late to even bring it up. Had you brought it up like 1 or 2 p.m. that day, you could have done it earlier. But you waited till later in the
receipts on
day.
this
Oh,
shit.
pull the receipt out there,
I got the
motherfucker.
receipts.
Pull it up.
Hold on.
You ain't calling no 1 and say, let's do it at 7.
Hold on. All right, let's go. Oh, do they not have the times? Sunday, July 20th.
Pippin' on the wood. Hey. I had that wood grain in that Regal, boy. Hey.
Where you at, Man Cave? Come over. I've on this. You good? You down to do fresh crack tonight?
What time was it?
It was at 2:41.
And what'd I say?
Sure. Thinking around 7, but I'll let you know.
And what'd I say after that?
Too late. 6 or so, or do it
Thank
next.
you.
6 or
Thank
so.
you.
Hold on. 6 or so, or do it next week.
Thank you.
Is better.
And what you say?
Next
I
week works
can't
better.
do it at. I can't
said,
do it at.
No. I said next week works better.
Why? But you
My
could have
back
done it
hurts because my back was
at.
hurt.
Your back would have still hurting at 7.
All right. Listen, I had to take some shit,
Okay.
and that would have knocked.
So it ain't me.
That would have
It's
knocked
him.
my dick in the dirt.
Receipts. What? Hey. You never loved me, Mom. Oh,
I love this man.
I love you, bro.
You know, we do this because it's just like, in fact, if y'all want to spend the night and hang out with us, and we'll bring Ace over as well,
Nah.
you're really going to get the full effect.
Now, y'all, we'll spend that at his house, not mine. I don't know y'all like that.
That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you'll get the full effect of how this relationship works.
Facts.
All right. So listen, thank you very much, Corazon and Devil's Milk Origin.
Either one of y'all that own this, I'll be in Vegas next week from the 10th to the 16th. Find me, holla at your boy. I'm going live on Facebook. It's my full name, Carlos Lavelle Hutchinson Sr. Going live on TikTok
How you doing both at the same time?
because I'm taking 2 phones. Sofa King Awesome or So Fucking Awesome. Yeah, that's what we doing. See me out there, y'all gonna see it, bro. It's crazy.
There we go. He's about to play in another tournament out there for pools. So
Hey, what DJ Khaled said? Another one.
another one.
They better
Pause.
leave me alone. I got receipts for my shit, you know what I'm saying?
There we go.
I don't speak
All right.
on it.
Y'all, thank you. We'll see you hopefully next week. We'll see what happens. We out. Peace.
I won't be here. I still be in Vegas till Saturday.
Then I'll get
So
someone
you do
else.
a bullshit.